friends. How are you? We are good. Welcome to Speak English for Beginners. Are you ready for today's story? Let's begin.
Wait, my purse. Oh no, I left it on the train seat.
Are you sure?
I'm sure. We have to go back.
Okay, let's go. Hurry.
I can get it fast. I just have to find the seat. There it is. I found it. Mom will be so happy now. The door is closed. I can't get out. What do I do now?
Sir, my son is on the train. He went back for his mother's purse and the train left without him. All right, stay calm. Let me radio the conductor right away. Conductor, this is the station. Emergency, stop the train.
Mom, how long until we reach Grandma's house? It feels like we have been riding forever. Maybe 1 more hour, Sam, but it will go by quickly if you stay busy. And look at the ducks. There are so many flying together. Yes, sweethearts, we are getting close to the countryside now. I want to see Grandma soon. I miss her so much already. Me too. I want to get there right now. Soon, Ruby. Soon, Sam. Be patient just a little longer. Oh, a bee! Look, Ruby, it is right there by the window. Maybe it wants to ride the train too. Stay inside, Sam. It is much safer for you in the train.
Tickets, please, family. Go ahead, buddy. Show him the tickets. Thank you. May I see them?
Okay, Dad, I have them right here.
Perfect. Enjoy your trip.
Here you are, sir. These are our tickets.
Thank you, young man. You are very polite and very helpful. Let's see here. And what is your name, young man? Are you going somewhere special today?
My name is Sam, and we are going to see my grandma and grandpa in the countryside.
That sounds like a wonderful trip. I did it all by myself, Mom. I am a big kid now.
Yes, you are growing up, Sam, and you did very well.
All right, everyone, we are here. This is Grandma's town.
We really made it! Let me gather the bags.
Look at this beautiful place.
My legs feel funny after sitting so long.
Mine feel funny too. They are all wobbly. That is normal, sweethearts. You just need a moment to walk around.
Okay, Mommy.
Mom, look over there. Fresh cotton candy.
It looks so pink and fluffy. I want some too, please.
All right, you two. Let's go get some.
Yay! Thank you, Mom.
Wait, my purse. Oh no, I left it on the train seat.
Are you sure?
I'm sure. We have to go back.
Okay, let's go. Hurry. Don't worry, Mom. I will go get it and come right back.
No, Sam, wait. Do not run back alone.
I have to, Mom.
Sam, please. It's too dangerous. I can get it fast. I just have to find the seat. There it is. I found it. Mom will be so happy now. Oh no! Wait! I have to get off the train right now. No, it's closing! Wait! It's closed! Let me out! The door is closed. I can't get out. What do I do now?
Sam! Sam!
Oh no, he is still on the train!
Sam, come back! Mommy, the train!
Sam, my baby! Sam is on the train alone. Mark, what are we going to do?
Look at me. Breathe. He is okay. The train is safe and we are going to help him. Sir, my son is on the train. He went back for his mother's purse and the train left without him. All right, stay calm. Let me radio the conductor right away. Conductor, this is the station. Emergency, stop the train.
Hello, this is Willow Valley Station. Do you copy? Please answer. Please let him be all right. Train 407, report your status.
Is he okay?
They're fine, Mark. Just delayed. Thank goodness.
Dad said I need to stay calm in a situation like this. I have to breathe and think. Breathe. Just breathe.
Sam, is that you? Why are you here by yourself?
Mr. Patel,
It's okay, Sam. You're not alone now.
I'm so glad you're here.
Sam is safe. The conductor will bring him back on the next train in about 15 minutes. Thank goodness, thank you. Thank you. You're welcome. Sam is okay. He is with the conductor and he will be back very soon.
Thank goodness. So Sam is really safe?
Yes, he's perfectly safe.
I'm so relieved.
Sam, this is Mrs. Singh. She is my good friend and she will take you safely back to your family.
Okay, ready to go, Sam? Your family is waiting for you.
Yes, I'm ready.
Let's go.
Dad, is Sam really okay?
Yes, sweetheart. He is with kind people, and he is coming back to us.
I just want to hold him again. Sam!
Come on, he's here!
Sarah, Dad!
Welcome home, son.
We missed you so much! What a lovely reunion! Mom, I got it.
Oh, my brave boy.
Hello there, family.
Grandpa Peter, you're here!
Come here, you two.
All set, Grandpa. Okay, everyone, now we go home.
Let's go! Yay! Come to me, dears.
Grandma!
Oh, my sweet Sam and Ruby! Come in, all of you. Welcome to the farmhouse.
Wow, it's so cozy. I love the fireplace. Look, a gate. Where does it go? So beautiful. I have 5 flowers. Wow, so many.
Ruby, do you remember which way we came?
I thought it was that way.
Are you sure? I don't recognize it.
No, I think we're lost. Are we lost? Maybe. I want to go back to Grandma's.
Hi, are you lost?
Yes, we are. I'm Leo, and I'm Lily. I'm Sam, and this is Ruby. Do you know Grandpa Peter? Yes, he's our grandpa. Wow, we're friends now.
Come with us. We will help you find his house.
Thank you so much.
This way. Stick together.
Look at the pretty flowers.
There's the house.
Yes, this is Grandpa Peter's house. We made it. Would you like to come for lunch? Maybe later we can come back to play. We have kites.
Sam, after lunch, we are going fishing.
Really? Yay!
Ruby, we will pick vegetables and collect eggs.
I can't wait!
That sounds wonderful.
Here we are, my favorite spot.
Wow, it's so beautiful.
It really is. Perfect for fishing. Let's set up right here, boys.
First, the worm goes on the hook. Then we toss the line.
I will try.
That's it. Good job.
Something is pulling! I caught a fish!
Great catch, buddy!
Whoa, it's a big one!
Awesome, Sam!
Now, we pick eggs very gently.
It's still warm. You're doing great, Ruby. Can I have that one?
Of course, here you go.
Thank you, Sarah.
The red ones.
Got one.
Wonderful, Ruby.
I love picking tomatoes.
Best day ever!
I love it here.
That is the North Star.
Look, a shooting star.